Hi boys and girls, we're going to talk about distributive property. Now I know that's kind of a toughie on this topic, so I wanted to do a quick little video on how to do it. Okay, so I'm going to turn the camera around and we're going to go ahead and do a little mini lesson. Alright, what in the world is distributive property? Well, distributive property means break it down. It means take one of the numbers that you're multiplying and break it down. Pull it apart, make it smaller, okay? For example, if we have an array and we're doing maybe, let's do 6 times 3, okay? So the reason I know this array is 6 times 3 is because there's 3 on this little side and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this side. Okay, now some of you might not be familiar with your 3s or your 6s, okay? But that's okay. You can take this and chop it up and make it easier for yourself. You can either chop up the 3 or chop up the 6, but in our class, we're going to remember this little saying. First number split, second number same. First number split, second number same. First number split, second number same. Okay? Now what that means is I'm going to split the 3 and I'm going to take it and I'm going to chop it. Chop. Hiya! Oh, right there. Okay? Now when you do distributive property, I told the kids in class that they have to draw their cheeks and their kiss. Mwah. Okay? And then we're going to split the 3 and keep the 6 the same. So number 6, he's going to stay the same. He's in both spots. 6, 6, that's the 6. Okay? But we're going to take this 3 and we're going to chop them up. Well, we chopped them into 2 times 6 and 1 times 6. So we're going to take that 2 and the 1 because 2 plus 1 equals 3. That's the 3 right here. We just took it and we separated it. Now we know our 2's and we know our 1's. We don't have to know our 3's or 6's. Okay? 2 times 6 is 6 plus 6. That's 12. Plus 1 times 6, that's 6. Okay, then you just have to add 12 plus 6. That equals 18. Dun, 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 dun. So I didn't have to multiply 3's and 6's. I just chopped it up. I broke it down with first number split, second number same. Woohoo! Okay, let's do another example. Let's just do one without the array. Let's do, let's do 7 times 8. Oh no, I don't know my 7's or my 8's, Miss Katie. You've been teaching me arrays and drawing pictures. Ah! That's okay. We're going to break it down. That's what it means, break it down. Now we got to remember first number split, second number same. First number split, second number same. So we're going to split the 7 and we're going to keep the 8 the same. Okay? Now we're going to draw our cheeks and our kiss. Basically, we're just adding the broken part together, okay? So we're keeping the 8 the same. So 8, you're going to stay in your spot. Stay. Good 8. Okay? Now when we split 7's, we can take it and do it into 2's and 5's. Because 2 plus 5 is 7. Now you can do 3's and 4's, but not everybody knows their 4's or their 3's. So a 2 and a 5 is easier, okay? So we're going to do 2 times 8. That's 8 plus 8, which is 16. Plus, and this is 5 times 8. You hold up those 8 fingers and you count by 5's, okay? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. That's 8 5's. Dun, 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 dun. All right, and then you just add these two together. Some kiddos don't know how to add sideways. Boys and girls, write them up and down. Now we can see it better. 0 plus 6 is 6. 4 plus 1 is 5. The answer is 56. I didn't have to multiply by my 8's. I didn't have to multiply by my 7's. I did skip counting by 5's and 2's. Woohoo! Okay? So this is how you break down the numbers. Now, when you are breaking down numbers, you do not have to break down when you're multiplying times 0's, 1's, 2's, 5's. because we have the 0 rule. Everything times 0 is 0. Everything times 1 is that number. You skip count by 2s, skip count by 5s, and also 9s. With 9s, you do the calculator, where you do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Or you do your 9s trick with your hands. Okay, so you have some tricks for 9s. The ones that you do have to break down are your 3s. A 3 is always going to be broken down into a 1 and a 2. So it's 1 times something plus 2 times something. You're also going to do your 4s. 4s are easy. You break it down into 2 2s. You're going to do your 6s. That's a 1 and a 5. Your 7s is a 2 and a 5. And your 8s. The 8s is the only one that I really don't like too much because kids are not familiar with those 3s. But that's okay. You can also draw an array to help you out to find out the 3s and the 5s. The 5s will be easy. It's the 3s you have to think about. But a 3 is just 2 times that number in one more group. Not one more 3, one more group. Okay? So this is how you break these numbers down. Okay? So the 7s are split into 2s and 5s. 3s are split into 2s and 1s. Okay? 4s are 2s and 2s. 6s 1 and 5. And 8s is 3 and 5. Okay? We're going to do one more example. Okay? Let's say Miss Katie said you have to do, let's see which one we did not do. We didn't do a 4. Let's do 4 times 8. Now, oh my goodness, I do not like the 8. Okay? I want to break down the 4. Now, if it was written like this, I would switch it around to this because I always split my first number. So I'm gonna keep it like this. First number split, second number same. First number split, second number same. Okay? So we draw our cheeks and our kiss. Put our little multiplication symbol. First number split, second number same. Oh, Mr. 8, you're going to stay. Okay? And then we're going to split the 4 into 2 2s. Boop, boop. Okay? Now this is 2 times 8, and 2 times 8, you either skip count by 2s, or you're going to say 8 plus 8 is 16. Oh, some of us can add this together in our brains. Some of us can't. So let's just move it to the side. This is 16 plus 16. 6 plus 6 is 12. Carry my group of 10s. 1, 2, 3. My answer is 32. Okay. And that's it. So now I gave you a little baby lesson on how to do distributive property. Now remember, Miss Katie's going to record her review very soon, and I'll have it posted for the weekend, okay? So it's okay. You got this, okay? And when you get in class tomorrow, or whenever you're doing your distributive property homework, you do have a couple minutes in class that you can work on it, and you can also ask me questions. All right. Bye, guys.